So very often in business we talk about liquidity or cash flow. And really what that's talking about is the movement of money into and out of an organization. It measures the ability of an organization to pay for its day-to-day expenses and debts. So if you think of a business as a bath, and then the water in the business is the cash. So there is cash coming into the business from sales, and there is cash going out of the business on expenses. And we have control over the speed of the cash going out and hopefully the speed of the cash coming in from sales. So there is an optimum amount of water in the bath, and there is an optimum amount of cash in the business. So if we start spending our money, and this is spending or letting water out of the bath at a rate of litres per second, but we can think of this as thousands of euro per month as well. So if we start to speed up the flow of money out of the business, pretty soon we don't have any money left. Okay, so if we speed up the flow of money into the business, then we can start to fill the bath. Okay, and one of the things we want to watch is that we're not heading for a situation where we have no water in the bath or no money in the business to pay our debt or creditors, the people we owe money to. And on the other side, we want to make sure that we are getting enough money in when people owe us money, that we're providing good service and making sure we are getting paid for it. So one of the things, though, if we are getting too much money in, it can cause problems as well. So just as a bath can overflow, if a business has too much money in it, it's holding on to cash and not investing it, maybe in new premises or equipment to be able to make more of its product or services for more customers, or not spending money on research and developing the product to be able to make the product better so more people want it or more people are happy to spend more money on it, or maybe not giving investment or money back to investors, so repaying loans that are due, or investors that might want to have a share of the profits if they've bought shares in the company. So it's always a balancing act between having too much money going out of the business and too much money just sitting in the business and not being put to good use. And that's what we're trying to identify when we do cash flow analysis. Have we got the right amount of business? Have we got the right amount of money in the business for the needs that the business has now and that we see for the business in the future?